Hey there, fellow foodies. Today, we're going to dive into the world of decadent chocolate cake. So, let's get started. Chocolate cake is a delightful treat that's perfect for any occasion. It's rich, moist, and just the right amount of sweet. And the best part? It's not as complicated to make as you might think. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of sugar, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of boiling water. Now, preheat your oven to 350 F175C. Grease and flour to 9-inch cake pans and set them aside. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs, milk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, mixing well. Slowly pour in the boiling water and mix until the batter is smooth. Divide the batter evenly between the 2 cake pans. Bake for 30–35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cakes cool in the pans for 10 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, a delicious chocolate cake that's perfect for any occasion. Thanks for joining me on this culinary adventure. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy baking!